5G coverage is continually getting better here in the Philippines, and 5G capable devices are also now available in the mid-range market, which makes them accessible to more Filipinos. And among these affordable devices is the Realme 8 5G. Hi guys, my name is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and impressions of the Realme 8 5G. Like usual, we'll start on what it comes with out of the box. Opening the box, you'll immediately see Realme's usual welcome greeting. Inside it is where you'll find the SIM ejector tool, as well as a free clear jelly case and the paperwork. Next is the device itself, and this is the supersonic blue colorway. Under it are the accessories, namely the power brick or charger with 18-watt quick charge, and the USB to USB Type-C cable. Okay, now let's check out the phone's design. The first thing you'll probably notice is its striking glossy back finish. It is so shiny that it looks just like frosted glass. It is actually aesthetically pleasing in the eyes, but a back like this means it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. So we better attach that included case. Button layouts are the same as the other Realme devices, pretty much nothing on top. At the bottom are the audio jack, mic, USB Type-C port, and its single firing speaker. On its right, you'll locate its power button, which also doubles as a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And on its left is the 3-card SIM tray, where you place your external storage and dual nano SIMs that support 5G dual standby. Now let's talk about the screen. No, it is not AMOLED, but I can understand. Certain things must be compromised in order to give way for other features, all while still having an affordable price tag. We may not get AMOLED, but instead, we have a 6.5-inch ultra-smooth display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a maximum 180Hz sampling rate. At first glance, it looks like the device has a quad camera setup, but upon closer inspection, it actually just has 3. It has a 48-megapixel main shooter, 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And at the front, it has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Here are some quick sample shots that I took. Now I haven't fully tested the device yet, but first impressions are great so far. Its Dimensity 700 5G processor seems capable enough that it even sails through smoothly on my initial gaming tests. But I still do need to test it out some more. This is still just an initial impression, so do check out my full review on DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be posted on the screen and at the description box below. I also need to test its battery life, and I read that it features smart 5G power saving, so I'm looking forward to testing that out as well. Speaking of 5G, I did test it and got it up to speeds around 100 to 300 megabits per second. It's important to note though that 5G signal is a bit wonky here in my area. If you want to know the specs of the Realme 8 5G, it will be posted on screen, so just pause the video to check it out. As I've said, these are just my initial impressions of the device. Full review will be published in a few days on DavaoGeekHub.com. Once again, this is Joseph. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.